Quadruped legs only is a great exercise to learn the alignment of the pelvis in all fours, to practice your hip dissociation, to practice your shoulder organization, and it also challenges the deeper layers of the core. Start in all fours position with the heel of the hands under the shoulders and the knees underneath the hips. Spine in a neutral position, head in line with the tailbone. Maintaining the alignment of the torso and the pelvis, send one leg back behind you and raise it up to the height of the hip. Bring it back down to the floor and slide it back underneath you. Imagine you have a tray of champagne glasses resting over your pelvis. And you do not want to spill any of the champagne as the legs are lifting. Keep your spine still and head up in line with the shoulders and tailbone.